This next song is very close to my heart. Vincent Echo and I wrote this about a year ago. And when we worked on this in the studio, we thought it would be a great idea to have my closest, dearest friends to sing it with me. And tonight, I would like to call them up on stage to sing with me. We've got Kyle Wong, Jerica Chutorico, Kurt Fick, Jackie Chang, and Vincent Echo. You guys look so beautiful. Sorry, balik-balikon yun ako because I honestly did not expect this much. So much love, so much love. Thank you. We good? All right, we're ready. Let's start a fire.
Took a chance, grabbed my hand in the crowd so we can dance.
You, with those eyes, guided me through the darkness of the night.
Pakpakan nato sila.